Hello and welcome to Cat Tricks. Today we will make this example on SolidWorks. Let's start. First I will open new part. Then I will choose a plan. I will work on front plan and I will select sketch. Then I will go to board, see what I will begin with. It's 126, 76, 90. So I will start with this side and I will make extrude. So it's 76 by 90. Let's start from origin. Now I will add dimension. We said it's 676 and it's 90. It's 30 by 30. Sorry, 13 by 13. Now I have two options. First is to make this 13. Otherwise, I can make this and this by selecting the two lines and select equal from here. It's gonna be 13. Then I will go to features and select extrude by 126. I will make mid plane and 126. Okay, it's the first shape. Second, we have fillet here and here. It's radius 25. So we'll go to radius, fillet, select the radius from here to 25, select the two lines, this is we'll make fillet here, press OK. Then we can make this cut extrude. It's 18 by 10. Center line. Choose a rectangle. We say there's 18 by 10. And select extrude cut. Choose yes through all. Then OK. Then I will make an offset 10 millimeter here and 10 millimeter here, and the total length is 38. Okay, and we have a circle here. It's 50 and 32. Radius is 16. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I will choose this plane to make a sketch. I will make it normal to the screen. First, I will convert this instead of redraw it. Okay, I forgot to select these two. Then I will select offset 10 millimeter. Remove mark on selection. Reverse direction. Okay. we'll make a circle of 50 millimeter and 38 millimeter from this surface. Okay, choose center line, make it here, and draw the circle. Anyway, it's 50 millimeter, and choose dimension from here to here. It's 38 millimeter. Okay, and the inner is also 38. Then I will choose extend two lines. Okay, length is totally 38 millimeter, but from this surface, not this surface. So let's apply this, extrude. Here we have an option of set from surface. I will choose this surface. We said 38. Select the other direction. Here we can select contours. We select this contour, this contour. Okay. As we can see, circle is the same plane of this cut, and here it's extended by, I think, 13 millimeter. Let's see. So I will draw a sketch here. Actually, I don't know. I will not do that. I will select extrude and select the past sketch. By 38 millimeter directly. If we choose evaluate here and select measure from here to here, you'll find it 38 millimeter. Here is 38 millimeter. Now I need to make these two circles 19 millimeter from these two edges and 25 millimeter. It's 5 14. Okay, select here, make it normal to the screen, select the two circles. Here I have to select these 2 points and select vertical to make them in the same line. I can draw center line here and select these 2 points and this center line and select symmetric to make them symmetric. Once I add dimension here, it will affect the other circle. 19. It's 25. Oh, we didn't select these two circles to be equal to each other. And here from feature we will choose extrude cut. So all okay. Now we have this web. Okay, we think we will draw it in front plane. It's a middle. Choose the line from here to here. Go to feature and select rib. It's 10 millimeter. Okay, here we go. Now we have this. I don't know. Is it hollow or just like that? It isn't shown here, but we can make it hollow. We have no problem. And draw sketch here. and select convert into this here and extrude cut it through all. Okay, here we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.